How to join private channel on Telegram without invitation link. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can join private channel on Telegram without invitation link. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up a web browser. After you're on your web browser, simply search for your this website. So I'll just guide you through the website. It should look like your invitation link. So just type in https, give a colon and give 2 slashes. After you do that, just type in t.me and give a slash. After you do that, you'll then need to just type in the channel's name. So just type in the channel's name and it should be that simple. So for example, I'll just type in football here and hit enter. Now, as you can see right here, now you can open Telegram app. It'll give you the link, and after doing that, you can just join. Now it's giving me the user does not exist, so let me just change this to something else. So let me just do the Apple one and tap on view in Telegram. It should open up really easy, and there we go. So that's how you can join private channel on Telegram without invitation link. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.